Mr. Speaker.
Well, I just want to point out my colleagues have done a terrific job of answering an absurd question. To say in 30 seconds...
You have said you want to repeal Obamacare, correct?
I did. Let me just finish, if I may.
30 seconds.
To say in 30 seconds what you would do with 18% of the economy, life and death for the American people, a topic I've worked on since 1974, about which I wrote a book called Saving Lives and Saving Money in 2002, and for which I founded the Center for Health Transformation, is the perfect case of why I'm going to challenge the president to 7 Lincoln Douglas-style 3-hour debates with a timekeeper and no moderator, at least 2 of which ought to be on health care, so you could have a serious discussion over a several-hour period that affects the lives of every person in this country.
Would you like to try to explain? Would you like to speak to the American people what you do of the president's health care legislation?
In 30 seconds.
Take the time you need, sir. Take the time you need.
I can't take what I need. These guys will all gang up on me.
Do you want to answer the question tonight on health care and health, Speaker? Do you want to try to answer the question tonight?
Let me just say it very straight. One, you go back to a doctor-patient relationship and you involve the family in those periods where the patient by themselves can't make key decisions. You relocalize it. 2, as several people said, including Governor Perry, you put Medicaid back at the state level and allow the states to really experiment, because it's clear we don't know what we're doing nationally. 3, you focus very intensely on a brand new program on brain science, because the fact is the largest single out-year set of costs we're faced with are Alzheimer's, autism, Parkinson's, mental health, and things which come directly from the brain. And I am for fixing our health rather than fixing our health bureaucracy, because the iron lung is the perfect model of saving people so you don't need to pay for a federal program of iron lung centers, because the polio vaccine eliminated the problem. That's a very short précis.
Congresswoman.